This is the 3 types of heat by Sawyer Hope. First, there is conduction. Conduction is the direct transfer of heat from one substance to another substance that is touching. Second is convection. Convection is the transfer of heat by the movement of a fluid. Third, there is radiation. Radiation is the direct transfer of energy by electromagnetic waves. And I put one thing here, so you have heat, and you can tell cold air sinks and hot air rises. Next, we have all 3 working together. Conduction is what's heating the pot. Convection is what's heating the pot. Conduction is going to the handle, to the hand touching it, and radiation is what's being given off by the fire.